Use this 5-step framework to close your first or next sales. So hi guys, this is Nilesh Jain, and in this video I am going to share with you the exact 5-step framework or the 5-step framework that help you to close your first or next deal of sales or your first or next sales. So if you are watching me for the first time, please make sure you subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. And in this video I am going to share with you the 5-step framework, and step number third and step number 5 is something that is actually blown your mind, so make sure you watch this video till the end. So let's get started with this video. Please subscribe to the channel and share to those who wants to know these things. So number one is rapport, the one and only thing people buy because of your repo. And how you build your repo, you have to build a good connection with your prospect. You have to build a rapport with your customer. How you can build your rapport? So first step is to, you have to know who is the particular person is. So you can ask them a question like, what do you do, from where are you, or what is the thing that you like the most. So you actually try to relate the things that with that particular person. If he mentioned, oh, I am from this particular XYZ, I'm from Dehradun, I'm from Uttarakhand, you told them, oh, Uttarakhand, I love to visit that particular place, or I my grandparent house is Uttarakhand, or something that you can create a relatability with particular prospect, because it is actually help you to build a good rapport in front of your customers. Number one is build a good rapport. Ask this type of question that actually you are able to create a relatability between both you and your customer. So you can also ask a question like, how many kids do you have, or I have one son. How you, how old your son is, you also have the son. So some kind of relatability you can create. Number two is heaven and hell. Like, what is their big goal, where do they want to go, right? What is their hell point, hell position right now? Hell position is like, what is the something that they are not getting result, or heaven is where they want to go. So heaven and hell, you can figure it out by asking them like, where are you right now into your journey, why you want to go this particular journey, why you want to earn 1 lakh rupees month or $100,000 a month. You can ask this type of question, so you are understanding it much better way. Third, that I mentioned at early starting of the video, is now you have to qualify those customers, right? So once you build rapport, once you understand that where they are right now into their journey and why they want to achieve this thing, now is the time to qualify this people, this prospect. Like, how you can qualify them? By qualifying them within using the power of asking a right question, like how much they are willing to invest. And if they are coming up with any objection, you can also remind them the health situation of theirs, like if they not invest, how it affect into their business, into their journey, into their life, right? So qualify them, that is that person is able to pay me or not. If he or she is not able to pay you, doesn't that is not sense to move ahead towards the call. So qualify in a way like ask that type of question, so you can qualify those people like, okay, right now how much you are earning, what is the way of your earnings. So this is the type of question that you can ask. Or qualify, again you can qualify them with the, like, if you earn 1 lakh rupees extra a month, how it helps you into your business. Or if you are able to give, spend more time with your family, how it help you, something that actually you are able to use as a qualification and to close the sales. Number fourth is pre-framing your offer. Now you have to pre-frame about your offer, like you understanding their health situation, you understanding their quali, they are qualified, qualifiable. Now you are able to, you are have to understand the pre-frame, you have to pre-frame the offer, right? In .com secret book we also read this thing, how you have to pre-frame about your product first. If you are pre-framing is not good, then might be customer are not able to get sale sold. So pre-frame about your product, your offer is that how you can pre-frame that. Okay, we have this product, and this product is help my customer, existing customer, to generate $1,000 or 50 leads, new leads each month. Would you like to know more about it? This is the one way of pre-framing. Or I already generated more than 50 leads each month and $2,000 each month using our ABC framework, XYZ framework, whatever the framework you want to offer. So pre-frame about your product, your offer, by using the name of your product, your offer. So it create a curiosity in your prospect mind. Okay, what is ABC framework? What is XYZ framework? What is one funnel away challenge? Anything that you have, you are offering. Clear? So pre-frame create a curiosity in customer's mind by just using the name of your product as well. So it is also a kind of pre-framing, and we can call it as a soft selling. Then last one is a closing part. You can present your offer. You can tell them like this is the price of this product and how would you like to pay for this product. Is it way to check, is it through cash, is it through Visa card, Mastercard, debit card, credit card, whatever the card we have. So you can now pitch them your like how you want to pay. Yes, there is a step of in the pre-framing you can also share the price, or in the closing part you can share the price. So this is how you can work. And so this is the 5-step framework that you can follow. And if you want to know more about this sales steps in detail, you can be a part of my Facebook group. I'll drop the link in the description. And so there I'll do a masterclass, and in this masterclass I'll share with you the in detail about this sales framework in detail. So thank you so much once again. If you are watching me for the first time, please make sure you subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon, and share this video to the people who actually into the selling and are struggling to get sales for their business. So thank you so much once again. Bye bye. Have a great